Today, I'm gonna be making a Scratch game inside of a Scratch game inside of Scratch. Scratch in Scratch by Fuzzy Animations. Supposedly, this is supposed to be Scratch inside of Scratch. So we have the Scratch Explore page. We can scroll down. There's some projects. Oh, I just clicked on this one. But what I want is the creates. So here goes the Scratch inside of Scratch. We have a bunch of sprites here. Gobo, Nano, the chicken, the dinosaur, the Scratch cat. We have all of the categories of the regular Scratch. Costumes. Costume editor does not work yet. So I guess we're gonna have to use the sprites that are here. Like the dinosaur, the chicken, Nano, and Gobo.
It's not looking good, Bev.
And there's sounds too. Oh, the sound editor doesn't work either. So let's see if we can actually make a game from this. So, green what did that do? It plays the pop sound effect. It changes the ghost effect. Can I make this big? I don't think I can make this bigger. Wait, I need to delete all this code. I can't. How do I delete it? Delete item list. What item do I want to delete? I want to delete one. Oh, this is gonna take a long time. Wait, can I even type it? I'm trying to type it. There we go. Oh, I can't delete when green flag clicked. That's weird. Okay, I want to delete 2. I'm just gonna keep on typing 2. Imagine I drag 100 blocks. I'm gonna have to do that 100 times. So where's the cat? Oh no, the cat's hidden. I need to where's the clear graphic effects? Does it even have the clear graphic effects? I'm gonna have to drag this out. Set ghost effect to 0, I think. I think that's it. Okay, there goes the cat again. Okay, let me delete that block. Delete 2. Okay, let me see if I can make a game where the cat at least moves around. Look, a basic arrow. Never mind. It does not have the arrow key, so there goes that option right out the window. Maybe if I click the sprites, maybe I can make like a Flappy Bird. Maybe that's possible. When sprite clicks. Okay, let's see if I can make it move when I press. Okay, it moves when I click the cat. It doesn't reset back to 0. I'm gonna have to drag multiple scripts into this one. Wait, hold on. I have to delete everything again. I need to reset the position back. Okay. It doesn't have the go to X, Y. It just has the set X, Y. I never use those blocks. Oh, wait. No, we do have arrow keys. Okay, I don't know why I didn't see that. When right key arrow pressed, change X by 10. Maybe that will work. It does not work. Wait, if key right arrow pressed, then change X by 10. Why doesn't that work? Hello? Oh, wait. Okay, I think I know why. Maybe I need to type in right key. Did I just delete that block? I did not mean to delete that block. Why did I do that? Okay, if key right arrow, change X by 10. Please work. Okay, that works. Yes. Okay, that counts as a Scratch game, but I think I can do more. I can make this a good game. Okay, left arrow. If key left arrow pressed, change X by -10. This is gonna be such a janky game. Okay, I can move left and right inside of a Scratch game, inside of Scratch. Let's see if I can move up and down. If key up arrow, change Y by 10. And if key down arrow, down arrow, change Y by -10. Yes, look at that. I can move inside of a Scratch game, and that's kind of cool actually. I'm surprised Fuzzy Animations made this. This must be a lot of code. What the hell? Okay, let's make Flappy Bird. It's always Flappy Bird, isn't it? It's always Flappy Bird. Okay, what? I guess I'm gonna use the bird. Wait. Are you only allowed to use one sprite? I can't make Flappy Bird. You're only allowed to use one sprite. And I can't. That's impossible. Okay, let me at least make a game with one sprite. This is a challenge for me. I can make a game with one sprite, I think. I hope. Okay, so we can move up and down, left and right. What if I make a platformer? Okay, that might be easier. Let me delete. I have to delete all of the code. That's gonna be a pain. Okay, let me just spam type 2. Okay, that deleted fast. Never mind. That did not take a long time at all. We need a gravity variable. There's only 2 variables. Okay. Set my variable to 0. Where is the forever block? There is no forever block. Wait, how is that supposed to work? Are you supposed to make a game without the forever block? Okay, maybe change my variable by -1. And then change Y, my variable. I'm surprised that works. That's kind of cool. That's impressive. Okay, so it should fall It falls once. Is there no forever block? Are you serious? I can't do this. This is an impossible challenge. Let's find another Scratch game inside of Scratch that actually has the forever block. Scratch and Scratch. Okay, here's another Scratch project in Scratch. Let's see if it has it only has like 5 blocks. Are you serious? And the blocks just disappear. I've just broke the project. Please don't play. Oh, it's the intro. Okay, we're going back. Scratch and Scratch v2.6 should have the, yes, it does have the forever block. Finally, that took forever to find. Okay, let's do when. Oh, and this is a lot better. I can actually fully represented Scratch. Like Scratch 2 though, it's not Scratch 3, but that's fine. I won't be picky. Okay, let's reset the position. Where is the game view? I can't see like the sprites. Okay, we can make do with what we have. Okay, if right arrow, the right arrow is in sensing. Here we go. If key right arrow pressed, change X by 10. I right clicked thinking I could duplicate. You cannot duplicate. What was I thinking? Okay, if key left, I keep on right clicking. This is bad. That's a habit. I need to get rid of that habit. If key left arrow, then change X by -10. So it says press the green flag to run. It's loading. It's loading like 5 blocks. What is it loading in the blocks? Hello? I'm like stuck on the screen. What is it doing? Oh, okay. I think I broke it. Run the project. What is it doing? Okay, I guess the project is broken. So we're going back to Scratch and Scratch. And it's lagging on my computer so bad. Wait, I can load a project. That is really cool. And I can love and favorite it. It's taking 3 years to load this project. Let me at least see what all of the other variables do. Maybe I can make an asking game. Ask, what is your name? We do not have an if block. How am I supposed to use the answer block if I don't have an if block? It's impossible. What is your name? Suli. Suli, and it says my name. That's cool. I mean, it's Scratch and Scratch. What did I expect? Change color effect by 50. Hold on. Let me delete 4. If key space pressed, space, then change color effects by 25. Is that gonna work? What is your name? Yes. And when key space pressed, it's not doing anything. Wait, hold on. Maybe I spelled it wrong. Space. Maybe it's just space. Change color effect by 25. Yes, that does work. Okay, I spelled it wrong. There are variables. I want to make a platforming game, but there's no if block. I can't or there's no forever block. So I guess the challenge was impossible from the start. I made a platformer game. I mean, not a platformer. I made a moving game. Hopefully that counts. Does that count? Yes, that counts. Okay, I made a Scratch game in a Scratch game in Scratch.